Now we've taken a 4-foot module on the right side, a 4-foot module on the left side, and our no-cut grill module in the center. Now, depending on your grill, this is going to be a little bit different. Maybe it would be a couple inches longer, wider, or maybe it'd be a couple inches less width, depending on your grill for the no-cut grill module. But in this scenario here with our 36-inch charcoal grill, it's coming to just under 120 inches without any cement board, which is just a little bit under 11 feet. So this is really nice because you got the grill centered and you have 4 feet of countertop space on both sides that you could fill in with some appliances. Maybe you could put a side burner and a sink here and then leave this all countertop and put a fridge and some drawers here. That would be a nice combination. So you have a lot of countertop and you have some countertop appliances here. So that would be one example. Now let's try another scenario. Here in this scenario, we took a 4-foot module, butted up against the side of another 4-foot module. This is very important that you learn this. When you butt a module up against the side of a module, you lost most of the usable space on the front side of this module. You can see we only have around 16 inches of usable space here. We lost all of this to the back. Maybe you could use it for countertop space, but you don't have much space here for appliances. It would be the same thing with an 8-foot module. If you butt this module up against the side of an 8-foot module, you lose all of this usable space on these L islands. So consider that when you're doing your design of your outdoor kitchen. So this one measures obviously 4 feet, and now we'll come this way across to measure, and it's 80 inches. So it's 4 feet by 80 inches when you use 2 4-foot modules in this L island configuration. In this scenario, we're taking 2 4-foot modules and our world famous diagonal corner module. You got 4 feet here, you have your nice diagonal corner module, and you have another 4-foot module here. This one comes out to be 94 inches across this way. And now we'll measure the other direction. This way, and it comes to the same thing, 94 inches. So it's 94 by 94 when you use the diagonal corner module with 2 4-footers. Here we've taken our 4-foot module, a diagonal corner module, and our 8-foot module. So for the long side, it comes out to be just under 142 inches of the frame. And then we'll come out the other direction to the 4-foot module side. And that's coming out to be just under 94 inches. So that's a nice popular L island design because you could put your grill in the 4-foot module. You could have the 4-foot module on this side or that side. It's reversible. Here you could have your green egg smoker, or you could have a slide-in side burner and maybe a double drawer here. So there's a few different things you could do here. And then on this side, you could have your bar center, drop-in ice bin, sink, refrigerator, all of this stuff to serve some countertop space. And then another option would be to have split bar counter here with bar stools on this long side. And then you could leave this open or do backsplash on this side, which would be nice. So there's a lot of things you can do with this size island. This is a really good popular size, an 8-footer, a diagonal corner, and a 4-footer. So here we took our diagonal corner module and we butted 2 8-foot modules up against it, and it's giving us a length of 142 inches approximately from the end of this 8-footer to the other side of the diagonal. Snoopy, we are making a movie here. Can you please cooperate? Snoopy, what's that mean? No? Snoopy, hey, please cooperate. No talking on the set. No barking at me. Okay, so with the diagonal corner, it's 142 by 142.